welcome to everyone. Thanks for watching our trailer on this very exciting product for CIO-SP4. This is our technical task area 1 accelerator. I'm Robert Turner, joined by my good friend and senior consultant, Adriana Iglesias. Adriana did a lot of the work on this product and helped refine it into what I think you'll find is a very exciting piece. So just very quickly, why did we do this? We get a lot of questions every time we do proposals asking for technical help. And with a big program like SP4, there's virtually no way we can help everybody who asks for it. And we have talked to scores of clients who are looking for ways to save money on their proposal development for this big GWAC. We believe NITAC is right when they say they're going to expect over 1,000 proposals. This is probably the biggest program of the year that we'll find in 2021. And we wanted to give clients some help in pulling together each of these sections. So for technical, this is our help for you here. So why did we do this? We did this to help you in your technical proposal development. And we're also trying to keep in mind section M.6 of the draft RFP that discourages the use of commercially available proposal templates. So this is not a pre-written section. This is an accelerator. So we've pulled together the information that you will need or that any firm will need to be able to write their own response to task area 1, IT services for biomedical research, health sciences, and healthcare. And as you can see, there's just a large number of technical domains, goes all the way to S, which is almost 20 or so technical domains. So how do you get your hands around, how do I pull this together, right? A lot of information, and we're only going to have a few pages to be able to write this. So this is why we developed this product, and we're hoping that you find it helpful as well. Adriana, tell folks a little bit about kind of some of the pieces that we pulled together and some of the thinking that went into this package.
So we put this product together in separate pieces. So we translated the section L and M requirements for you. We also told you in just plain words what the government's looking in your section, and we gave you some samples. Yeah. So you can go through all of them and pretty much come up with your own approach based on your own team or company capabilities, and they will be unique. And we have given you instructions and information on how you can make it unique, so that you can. But the whole purpose of this package is to ensure that you get the highest available points.
That's right. So we've got a common format for both sections A and B. So section A is your technical capability and understanding. We've got the section L requirements blocked out here. We've got the SOW requirements. And then I really like this piece here, Adriana, on what the government wants to see with section M, and then our understanding of this, and then the way that we blocked out each of these technical domains. You want to talk a little bit about this?
Pretty much asking you to support 3 areas. So it's biomedical research, health sciences, and healthcare. And just go through what's included in sections A through S. And then you will see information. I mean, and it doesn't have, you just don't have to go tailor everything from A to S, but it gives you a pretty good idea of what they're looking for in this section. So, and overall, any type of support that's going to come out through a CIO-SP4 needs to have some type of approach. And every company comes with a different set of policies and practices and standards. So here it's open-ended, but it gives you an idea of what you should be stating here. It's not just a matter of saying words, but impactful words, you know. How do you explain your capability? Why? What is your understanding of what's occurring in out there in the field. And then what is your overall approach as a company? And hint, hint, they give you lots of hints in terms of what certifications you should have, right? And then you can include here any, just not just certifications, what knowledge base your company or your team has. So it's just a good overall image. And then your specific approach. Think of what is the government trying to achieve in this space nowadays. Um, so we broke it up into three factors: cost reduction, right? Quality improvement, admission, facilitation of admission delivery. And we gave you some samples to look through or to think through. And you might have participated in some of those programs, or you can think of what programs will be coming up in the future. We gave you several samples that you can work through. Want you to think about understanding, have a pretty good understanding of what's included in the sphere nowadays versus what's going to happen in the future, right? Link it to the seminar work areas under task 1, and then link it to what is the desired end result they want to cost reduction. So that may include retiring legacy systems, integrating systems, and so on and so forth. I'll be giving you all those samples so you can look through. Methodologies, what are the methodologies and best practices and included in this, and what may be included in the task orders that are coming up. Linking your technical approach with the benefits to the customer and what you like to achieve, what you will achieve, the methodologies that you will follow, the innovations that you can bring, and then you can sprinkle it with a little bit of your experience.
We're really proud of this document here too. This is well over 15 pages of methodologies that are directly relevant and used in all three of those domains: biomedical research, health sciences, and healthcare. And so we flesh these out from cloud migration to defined processes and quality, agile and safe, DevSecOps, security, AI, and some new stuff in terms of smart agents. Each one of these sections really goes into some pretty good detail on what this means, how the industry is talking about and using these technologies, and how they apply to healthcare. And the other thing we've got here too is these three items that we talked about earlier: cost reduction, quality improvement, and mission facilitation. We've mapped each of these methodologies or technical domains to these three desired end results that you want your proposal to consider. You may have your own, but here's how we kind of mapped all these out. And so I think this document alone is worth picking up just so that you have this in your library, and all of these can be referenced in future proposals that you may be writing, either task orders that come out on SP4 or other proposals that you might be writing in this space, or even in the DoD and other markets. There's some really good stuff in here, and will help you both on this proposal as well as others. Just to kind of wrap up the Accelerator package, we've also got a document here for Section 2, for Section B, which is your experience and qualifications. Again, highlighting the relevant instructions, the SOW requirements, the evaluation factors, highlighting the key words that you're going to want to see, and then giving you an approach to mapping your examples and qualifications to into a format that the government can easily evaluate. So again, we can't write this for you, obviously, because we don't know what your experience and qualifications are, but we can give you the format and then lay out for you some ways to think about how you might shape that up so that you can create a compelling response for NITEC.
So this section actually lends itself to a lot of creativity, and you can use experience and qualifications of your team, your prime subs, your SMEs, and just so you can show that you're competent, and not only that you're competent, but that you're ready for any task order, and for any innovation, anything that comes up, such as COVID-19 pandemic, and how you're ready to support CIO-SP4 clients.
Great. So this is a quick overview. We appreciate you hanging in here with us. We didn't want to go too long, but we did want to give you an overview of what this package looks like. If you've got questions, the email address and phone number for our firm is on the website. You'll find that there. Reach out to us. We're happy to answer questions or talk through any of this stuff in more detail if you need. And of course, we're also here if you need additional proposal support on SP4 or any other procurement that your firm is capturing. So thanks a lot for hanging in here with us and learning more about our Solution Accelerator. We plan to continue this program of products and develop more of these for other procurements that are coming down the street. Look for some similar accelerators for Polaris, as well as other major programs that are around the corner. And if you'd like us to give you some consulting on how you can build out your own proposal library, do let us know about that as well. Have a great day and best of luck on your competition in CIO-SP4.
Yeah. Good luck, everybody.